Most people think of the gut as a place where food is digested and nutrients are absorbed, but that's just the beginning. Your gut is a dynamic ecosystem, home to trillions of microbes that influence everything from your mood and metabolism to your immune system and aging process. When your gut is thriving, you feel energized, focused, and resilient. When it's out of balance, you may experience bloating, fatigue, brain fog, skin issues, and even chronic disease. The good news? You can heal and optimize your gut with simple, science-backed strategies. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Let's explore why gut health is so important and the most effective ways to improve it. 1. It's your second brain. Your gut and brain are connected through the vagus nerve, forming the gut-brain axis. This communication highway allows your microbiome to influence mood, memory, and emotional regulation. In fact, over 90% of your serotonin, a key mood-stabilizing neurotransmitter, is produced in the gut. Imbalances in gut bacteria have been linked to anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. A healthy gut supports emotional resilience and mental clarity. 2. It's your immune headquarters. About 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. The microbiome helps identify threats, regulate inflammation, and prevent autoimmune reactions. A compromised gut lining, often called leaky gut, allows toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream, triggering systemic inflammation. A strong gut barrier and diverse microbiome are essential for immune defense and disease prevention. 3. It regulates metabolism and weight. Gut bacteria influence how you store fat, regulate blood sugar, and feel hunger. Certain microbes promote insulin sensitivity and fat burning, while others contribute to cravings and weight gain. Dysbiosis, microbial imbalance, is associated with obesity, metabolic syndrome, and type 2 diabetes. Optimizing your gut can help stabilize appetite, improve energy, and support healthy weight management. 4. It impacts skin, hormones, and aging. Skin conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea often stem from gut inflammation. Hormonal imbalances, fatigue, and accelerated aging can also be traced back to poor digestion and microbial disruption. Your gut affects how you detoxify, absorb nutrients, and regulate stress hormones. A healthy gut supports glowing skin, balanced hormones, and graceful aging. Here are some of the best methods to improve gut health. 1. Eat a diverse, fiber-rich diet. Fiber is the fuel for your gut bacteria. Soluble fiber, found in oats, apples, legumes, helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. Insoluble fiber in whole grains and vegetables adds bulk and supports elimination. Diversity is key. Different fibers feed different microbes. Action step: aim for 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily from a wide variety of plant foods. 2. Add fermented foods. Fermented foods contain live probiotics that replenish your microbiome and improve digestion. They help crowd out harmful bacteria and support gut lining integrity. Top choices: yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. Action step: include 1 to 2 servings of fermented foods daily. 3. Stay hydrated. Water supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and elimination. It also helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines, which protects against inflammation and infection. Action step: drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. For example, 150 pounds equals 75 ounces. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress alters gut bacteria, increases inflammation, and weakens the gut lining. It also disrupts digestion and contributes to IBS-like symptoms. Action step: practice breathwork, meditation, journaling, or movement daily to regulate your nervous system. 5. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep disrupts microbial balance and increases gut permeability. It also raises cortisol and impairs immune function. Action step: aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Create a calming bedtime routine and limit screens before bed. 6. Move your body. Exercise increases microbial diversity and improves gut motility. It also reduces stress and supports metabolic health. Action step: incorporate 30 minutes of movement most days. Walking, strength training, yoga, or dancing. 7. Avoid gut disruptors. Certain habits damage your microbiome and gut lining. Excess sugar and refined carbs, artificial sweeteners, alcohol, chronic antibiotic use, and over-the-counter NSAIDs. Action step: minimize these triggers and focus on whole, anti-inflammatory foods. 8. Consider probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria. Prebiotics are fibers that feed them. Supplements can help restore balance, especially after illness or antibiotic use. Action step: choose a multi-strain probiotic with at least 10 billion CFUs. Include prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas. 9. Chew thoroughly and eat mindfully. Digestion starts in the mouth. Chewing activates enzymes and signals your body to prepare for nutrient absorption. Eating too fast or while distracted can impair digestion and increase bloating. Action step: slow down. Chew each bite 20 to 30 times. Avoid multitasking during meals. 10. Track symptoms and seek support. If you experience persistent bloating, constipation, diarrhea, or fatigue, it may be time to dig deeper. Functional testing can reveal microbial imbalances, food sensitivities, or gut inflammation. Action step: keep a food and symptom journal. Work with a practitioner to personalize your gut healing plan. My final thought: heal your gut, heal your life. Your gut isn't just a digestive organ, it's a command center for your entire body. When you nourish it, you unlock better energy, immunity, mood, and longevity. Start small. Add one gut-friendly habit this week. Because the path to vibrant health begins in your gut. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my award-winning book, Stronger by the Day, Master the Habits of Health, Fitness, and Vitality, along with Slimmer and Stronger by the Day, The Habit Blueprint for Lasting Weight Loss, and Living Longer and Stronger by the Day, The Everyday Habits for Lifelong Health and Vitality, all available on Amazon. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.